everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about this Men's Health Power Training book that I have gotten years ago as a Christmas gift, and I've been wanting to do a review on this for a very long time now. So let's get right into it. So this book is actually a comprehensive guide to strength training and muscle building for men and women. And first of all, I really appreciate the clear and concise language used throughout this book. And what I mean by that is the instructions and how you perform the exercise are super easy to understand. As you can see right here, for example, this is a strength movement, and it's according to the author, this is an explosive movement. So there you go. You have the exercise name, you got how to do it correctly, and then you also have little tips and tricks for if you have a certain injury, and for another way you can do the exercise. Now, as you can see right here, the information was actually easy to understand and follow, even for someone who's beginning their journey towards strength training. Another thing I like is that the book starts off by explaining the fundamentals of strength training. It includes proper form and technique for a variety of exercises. Just want to take you through a few exercises over here so you can see what I mean. So you got the reverse lunges, you got drop lunges, and it also focuses on different movements of the body. So you got the knee dominant, and that's going to be dealing with your leg, and it teaches you how to do unilateral and bilateral movement. That means you're going to use both legs. And it's very important that you're able to work in different planes of when you're doing your exercise. So it also teaches you about the vertical push, and that's going to be like a vertical, and then you learn things like the horizontal push, and that's like the bench press and the push-up. Like I said, as you can see, the information in this book is super easy to understand. Another thing I like about this book is that it goes into details of different goals and plans. So let's just say if you want to work on strength, right? Let's go back. Sorry, the book is kind of old for me. Had it for a long time. You want to go back to strength, right? Strength is your goal, right? So what you're going to go ahead do, you're going to go ahead and look in the content, and you're going to look for strength training. You got hypertrophy training. That is muscle size. This is strength. And you got an overall total of fitness that you can go by. One particular thing that I like about this book is that it's very it's pay close attention to details and injury prevention. So basically, before you do an exercise, it tells you to, if you have a shoulder injury, you can do this type of, if you have a knee injury, you can do this type of motion instead of the original exercise. The author also provides tips and advice on avoiding common mistakes and overuse injuries, which is something I think is often overlooked in other training books. Also, this book includes helpful information on nutrients and recovering. This book has a dedicated section for that. Let's take a look at it. Has a dedicated section for nutrients. There we go. Here we go. Power Nutrient Train, page 201. So basically, it tells you what you need to eat to gain weight. It also tells you the healthy foods, and this is like I say, this information lasts a lifetime. It also gives you some basic meal preps. So if you're in a rush and you're just thinking about, oh, what can I make for the gym today? What can I take to the gym? This book includes some basic, simple recipes that you can do yourself, and you can just add on to this plan here. I also tell you the best source of protein, the best fruits and vegetables, and the starches over here. So it doesn't go into depth about your diet, but it gives you a great foundation and a glossary of terms with that you can easily stack into your memory to help you progress through your strength training. So overall, I would highly recommend this men's health training book for anyone looking to improve their strength and muscle building efforts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, this book is a valuable resource that will help you to, I believe, to help you to reach your fitness goals. So thank you for watching this review, and I will see you in the next video.